Okay, so I kneaded this up, but I also went and got my items out of the freezer because I didn't want to leave them in there too long. This is already hard. Okay, so that was only in there maybe a minute or two. Then these, you know when they're ready because they'll just pop out. Okay, like that. So I'll kind of leave that over there. And then these, I will leave that over there also. Okay, back to this. All right, so we'll do the little wings there first. So I'm going to take, may as well just take 2 pieces of the candy clay off so that they're about equal in size. And some people ask, is candy clay and modeling chocolate, they're the same thing, okay? All right, so, or I guess modeling chocolate could be with real chocolate and candy melts, whatever. Whatever, it's all the same in my book. All right, ball. V shape like that to get a teardrop. Okay, so it's pretty much like we did the feet, right? Okay, same thing, make this a little straight, and you can even cut this off if you don't feel like you can make it straight. Just cut it off, just like that. Same shape, we're going to cut this out, 2 V shapes, like that. Make these a little bit more pointed. And then I think I got rid of my skewer, so here's another one. Skewer, toothpick, modeling tool, whatever you want to do. And we could just kind of draw some lines down here. So this time I'm drawing lines all over it, like this. And then on this, I actually pinch this a little bit too. Okay, thin that out a little and then curve it. Let me put some of those lines back in. I probably should have pinched that before. Okay, and if I want this one on this side, what I like to do is actually cut this a little bit in an angle and then take this and it can pop on here. Now if it stays by itself, great, which I think it's going to need a little help. So let me grab this. Chocolate is the best glue. I don't want too much because then it'll slide down. And I'll probably just have to hold it for a second or two. Okay, so where it's attached there, what I'll do is make more lines where I messed that up. Take the brush, clean any of this up. And then I can go ahead and maneuver these however I want. Okay, so there's the one side. Just taking the excess chocolate off. And if you had yellow chocolate, if you're doing yellow chocolate, ooh, just got it messed up. If you're doing yellow chocolate, you could attach it with yellow, but if you don't already have it, there's no need. So that was nice. I just got the eyelash all over it. So you can just take that off and kind of clean that up.